Welcome to Step 2 Max. In this section also, we are continuing the problems related to application of quadratic equation. The question is, Patrick takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of the water current. This problem is in the section of boat and stream problems. Before going to the problem, first we have to familiar with some terms. What is upstream? Upstream movement means the movement of the man or boat are same in the direction of the stream. And what is downstream? Downstream means the direction of the man or boat and direction of stream are opposite. Speed of still water. Speed of still water means there is no movement in the water or there is no movement in that river. Water current means rate of movement in the water. Downstream rate equal to speed in still water of man or boat plus speed of water current. In the case of upstream, speed in still water of man or boat minus speed of water current. Now move to our problem. Patrick takes 8 hours to travel 36 km to downstream and return to the same spot. That means total time taken is on both way, upstream and downstream. Total time taken for upstream plus downstream, both direction, equal to 8 hours. And distance covered in one direction. Distance covered in one direction. The distance covered in one direction equal to 36 km. For upstream, he covered 36 km, and for downstream, that means return, he covers 36 km. Next, speed of boat in the upstream. Speed of boat in downstream. First take downstream. Speed of boat in downstream. That's we already said. Speed of rate, downstream rate equal to speed of boat in still water plus speed of water current. Speed of boat in still water is given in question as 12 km per hour. Speed of boat in still water km per hour. We have to find out the speed of water current. That's we taken as x. We have to find out the speed of water current. speed of water current be taken as x. Speed of boat in downstream equal to speed of boat in still water plus speed of water current. Speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. So, speed of boat in downstream is equal to 12 plus speed of water current be x. 12 plus x. Speed of boat in downstream. We have to find out speed of water current. That we taken as x, and total time taken for upstream and downstream is 8 hours. The distance covered in one direction 36 km. Next, take speed of boat in downstream. Speed of boat in downstream is speed of still water plus speed of water current. Speed of boat in still water is given in the question, that is for 12 km per hour. So, speed of boat in downstream is equal to 12 plus x kilometer per hour. Next, we take speed of boat in upstream. Speed of boat in upstream, that is the difference of the speed of boat in still water and speed of water current. Speed of boat in still water minus speed of boat in water current. That is 12 minus x kilometer per hour. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. Time taken is distance covered by speed. Here the total time taken for upstream and downstream is 8 hours. That means time 8 hours, and this 8 hours taken for downstream movement and upstream movement. So, we can write downstream, this 8 hours taken for downstream movement and downstream movement plus upstream movement. Then take downstream movement. For one direction the distance 36. That means for downstream he covered 36 km, and speed of boat in downstream is 12 plus x kilometer per hour, plus for upstream again he covers 36 km on opposite direction. So, 36 by speed in upstream is 12 minus x. 8 equal to 36 by 12 plus x plus 36 by 12 minus x. Then simplify this equation. 36 taken as common, that is 36 into 1 by 12 plus x plus 1 by 12 minus x. Now simplify this one. This becomes 1 by 12 plus x plus 1 by 12 minus x equal to 8 by 36. 8 by 36 we can write it as 2 by 9. 1 by 12 plus x plus 1 by 12 minus x is equal to 2 by 9. Then the left hand side is 12 minus x plus 12 plus x. The numerator become 12 minus x plus 12 minus x plus 12 plus x, and denominator is 12 12 plus x into 12 minus x equal to 2 by 9. 12 minus x plus 12 plus x. Minus x and plus x are cancelled. 12 plus 12 is 24. And the denominator become 12 plus x into 12 minus x. A plus b into a minus b form. That means a square minus b square. Here a is 12. Square of 12 is 144. 144 minus x square equal to 2 by 9. Cross multiply. 24 into 9 equal to 2 into 144 minus x square. We can simplify 24 and 2, that is become 12 into 9 equal to 144 minus x square, that is x square minus 144 plus, if you rearrange this, x square minus 144 plus 12 into 9 is 108 equal to 0. Minus 144 plus 108 is x square minus 36 equal to 0. So, we can write x square is equal to 36. So, the value of x is equal to plus or minus 6. Here we take x as speed of water current. So, we take positive value only. So, we can write x equal to 6. X is speed of water current and that be 6. The speed of water current is 6 km per hour. Here we want to find out the speed of water current, that be taken as x, and the informations given are speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour and the total time taken is 8, and he wants to cover 36 km in one direction. And for that we have to find out the speed of boat in downstream and upstream. Speed of boat in downstream is speed of boat in still water plus speed of water current, and speed of boat in downstream is speed of boat in still water minus speed of water current. Downstream means the boat or man and stream are in the same direction, that is with the stream. So, we add their speeds, and in the case of upstream, the man or boat and stream are in opposite direction. So, we subtract their speed, and here the total time taken 8 km per hour, that is the time taken to both direction, upstream and downstream, and using time equal to distance by speed, we have to find out the value of speed of water current, that is 6 km per hour.